Peace, power, and prosperity, family. This is Amir, the Chicago crypto hustler, Bitcoin block bully, coming to you once again with a 24-hour market review. What's going on? How we doing out there in the crypto space? As some know, we are closing down on the last 24 hours of November 10th, UTC time, crypto space. For those that do not know, UTC is Universal Time Clock, or Coordinated Time, Coordinated Universal Time, which is the actual time that the world runs on, which is the time that the crypto space runs on. And we are closing down to midnight in about 2 more minutes. We only got about a couple minutes left before the closing of the day. So what we're going to do, let's see. Take a look. Right here is Bitcoin. Let's look at the minute chart. Ugly. Looking at the minute chart, BTC versus USD. Let's look at 5 minutes. We got, let me see, the new day about to start here in a minute. Let's look at the 24 hours. See how we closing. Get rid of that. There we go. Now, do we start our new day yet? Let's see. No, this is still the 10th right here. So we haven't started a new day yet. We got about a minute left. So this is Bitcoin. Let's see. Let's get Ethereum up and running also. Coinbase. Let's see who we got over here. Let's do away with a couple of these. Just get the main ones over here. Let's see, BTC, USD on Coinbase. Let's get him up. Okay, we still got the 10th. We got about a minute left within the last 24 hours. Let's get ETH versus USD up. Let me see. Coinbase, ETH versus USD, Coinbase, Litecoin, USD, Coinbase. Where we at? Coinbase, there we go. There we go. We just started in the 24 hours. I don't know if y'all see that. Let me see. Let me open this up a little bit. There goes that 24-hour day starting on Bitcoin right there. Right now, what you see going on is the battle between the bulls and the bears. That's what we got going on right now. Small battle between. Okay, and we already have a wick, which means that the bears have been able to pull price action down, but the bulls have been able to push it back up. So you're seeing the active battle right now with Bitcoin. Let me see who else I need to get over. Get XRP. Let's do versus Tether US on Binance with XRP. Let's see how Ethereum's looking. Ethereum starting off on a green day. Pretty much the bulls starting off on a bullish, slight, nothing, no movement really. But we do have a green start. You see Bitcoin Cash starting off red in the rear. I don't know if you all can see that. Starting off in the red. We opened up at $552.94. We've gone as low as $551.88 so far. Litecoin, let's see, little to no movement yesterday. And looks like we're going to have a repeat today. Let's see. This is the 24-hour start right here on Litecoin. Bear starting off. Also Ripple. 24-hour day starting right here. The last 2 days look nice. Little Thor hammers, but starting off bearish as of right now. Go back to Bitcoin, see what's going on with this battle. Let's see. So Bitcoin still in the slight. Let me see. Still in a little bullish. Let me see what we're doing over here on Smartlands. Okay. Bitcoin still looking good. Let's go ahead and head over to the coin market cap. Let me go ahead and give an introduction for anyone that may be tuning in for the first time and anybody that's returning. Peace, power, and prosperity, family. My name is Amir, the Chicago crypto hustler, Bitcoin block bully. coming to you once again with a 24-hour market review. I want to thank everyone who's tuning in right now. Let me know how y'all doing out there. If you can, check in your name, city, state, country, for those that may be checking in outside the country. Let me see. Let me get over here so I can follow along with what's going on. Also, I do like to interact with the crowd. Let me get. There we go. Peace, power, and prosperity, Miss Crystal. How we doing, Queen? Peace, peace, peace. I want to join your Discord. Let me see, which MAs am I using? What MAs was I just using? Okay. So on my moving averages, what I usually use are 7, 14, 21, 55, 100, 200. And I color coordinate them with the alignments of the chakras within the body. I don't know if anybody's familiar with the chakras or the energy orbs within the body. For those that study any type of holistics or metaphysics. So what we see right here is your 7, 14, 21, 55, 100, and 200. But I look at them as the root, sacral, solar plex, throat, third eye, and the crown chakra. So when you're in a downtrend, all the chakras are lined up. It means you need to meditate and raise your kundalini or raise your energy level. When you start raising your energy levels, what you're going to see is the 7-day or the root chakra start crossing over the other chakras, or the moving average start crossing over the other moving averages. For a nice uptrend, what you're going to see is a reversal pattern. So you're going to have the root chakra where the crown chakra once was, and the crown chakra where the root chakra once was, or the 7 and the 200-day moving average switch places. Basically, your 7-day moving average is going to be on top. Your 200-day moving average is going to be on the bottom. So what you're looking at right here, and what you look for confirmations as far as entry levels is what I usually look for is a crossover to 7, crossing over to 21. I mean, I add other variables such as MACD, RSI, accumulation distribution, the volume of it, you know what I mean? But just breaking it down simple, just for those that may just be beginning, what I usually look for is a crossover to 7 and 14. That's a small confirmation. Once we have been able to hit the 55-day moving average, and this is on the day chart, because what you'll see is, look where the 200-day moving average is right now. Let's go back to a week. Now, when we look at a week, we're above the 200-day moving average. You know, so different time frames. Now look at that. 200-day moving average is actually hitting price action. Different time frames is going to give you a different outlook, and each tool or indicator is going to give you a different reading. So if we look down at MACD and the RSI, as we switch this, they change also with us. You know what I mean? So you got to be real mindful of the time frames that you use. And more so, the time frame I like to begin with is the day chart. Sometimes I do the week, but mostly it's a day chart, and then I move my way back down to a minute, depending on what I'm doing, scalping or swing trading. Let me see. King Woomy L, Orlando, Florida. Peace, power, and prosperity, brother. Thank you for checking in. Thank you for checking in. Let's see. So let's go ahead and start with the top 20. Let's see what we're looking at right now. Starting off the day right now, we got over 213 billion, 328 million, $8,365 in the market cap. We got a 24-hour volume of 11 billion, 484 million, $252,781. BTC dominance is at 52.2. Now, for those that may just be entering the field, you may have only heard about certain cryptocurrencies, mainly the top, I'm gonna say 5 to top 10. I know everyone's heard of Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Ripple. Some may have heard of EOS, let's see, Cardano, Tron, Dash, Monero. Let's see, who else is kind of big? Electroneum, maybe. Let's see. EOS, Tron, Dash, IOTA, Binance Coin, Neo, Ethereum Classic. Which this is the original Ethereum before it forked off into Ethereum. Ethereum Classic is the original Ethereum. But I was saying that to say that there's over 2,094 different cryptocurrencies out there. Those that are just getting in the field and think it's only a couple of cryptos. Nah, there's a lot. There's a lot. And there are many that are being slept on. And that's why I like to bring those to the attention of the people, because majority of people are only watching these main cryptocurrencies. They have had little to no movement over the last couple of months. But then when you look at the altcoins, over here, we go to the 24-hour change. Look at Ethereum up 140% within the last 24 hours, trading at a penny. Look at Decentraland up 13%. Revain up 12%. Even when we come over here and we look at trending and we look at the top gainers and the top losers within the crypto space, which is any coin that has done a minimum of $50,000 within 24-hour volume within the last $50,000 worth of volume within the last 24 hours. Excuse me. So these are the biggest gainers and the biggest losers in the market right now. We got Ethereum up 140%, Zilla up 35%, Hollywood Coin up 28%, Vouch Me up 27%, CVN up 26%, Smartlands up 26%, trading at $6.13. I don't know if y'all been following my page at all, but I've been talking about Smartlands since it was about $3.50. Right now, you'd be damn near doubling up whatever type of investment you would have put in on it. Monetha, MTH up 23%. Definitely got in on them within the last couple of days. So this is, and what we're looking at right now is the biggest gainers and the biggest losers, which is right under trending on CoinMarketCap, which gives you an outlook on the top runners in the market. And I mean, this is out of 2,000 different coins. Remember, top runners and the top losers. Now, the top runners just shows you who's running right now. Now, you can look at the last 24 hours. You can also look at the last 7 days. Let's see. For the last 7 days, Da Vinci Coin's up 234%. Ethereum is up 348% within the last 7 days. Beautiful. 24-hour volume of 76,000. Smartlands is up over 80% within the last 7 days. I'm waiting for a pullback on Smartlands, actually. Let's see. We got positive momentum coming in. I think I did sell a little bit prematurely, expecting a pullback. I just sold like at 23. What I sell? Let's see. Who's trading that right now? Hold on. Hello? No, I'm going live right now. What's going on with your cousin? Right. And I'm at the flat. Yeah, I'm live right now. Check in on YouTube though. All right. My apologies for that, family. That's family calling. So all right, here we go. This is sell off I was looking for. Ha! This is the sell off I was looking for. Let me see. Let me look at my account. Let me see. I got out the way. Let me see. Activity. I got out of the way on Smartlands. Hold on. Let's look at activity at nah, this ain't the right account. Hold on. Here we go. There we go. That's the sell-off I was waiting for. That's the sell-off I was waiting for. These are them type of dips y'all want to get in on right here. So I exited at 2254, 2254, 2302. That's XLM. 2302, 2302, 2344, 2244, and 2170. That's why I exited at. When I jumped back in, I jumped in at 18.1, 18.8, 18.8, 25. I sold it 25. That was the last one. So I jumped in around 18, got out at like 23, 22.4 and up. Right now, we having a sell off down to 22.1. I'm waiting for us to get down to about 21, maybe 19, and to be some more positions on this. SLT been running crazy the last couple of days. I'm talking about beautiful run. I don't know how people missed it. I've been talking about it literally since it's been down right here. No, right here. This is when I first started posting about Smartlands on my Instagram page. So from right here, we'll just say 375 at the top. From there up until here, we got about a 60% price increases over the last 3 days. Could you explain setting your limit order, market order, and stop limits? Ethereum on Binance or Cryptopia? I think Ethereum's on Cryptopia. What's up, brother Winston? Peace. You said explain setting the limit order, market order. Okay, I can explain that over here on Binance. But they don't have those available on every exchange market. I do want y'all to know that. In fact, I don't want to miss anything out on. Let me go buy. Buy order. Right. And see, that's the thing. You want to look at them. A couple of these, they ain't not even really ordering nothing. 8 here, 13 here, 22 there. So we got a big wall. We got 108. We got 234. Down here is when we start getting into the thousands. So I'm going to place me some orders right above 2103, 2102. I may place some orders right here with 21 even, 21005 right here because they only got 0.06 that they want. So what I'll do is I'll place some orders on top of them. So I'll set precedence on anyone else that may try to stack on top of him. So if we retrace back, that 21, let me see. Long here is 18. See if we can hit 18. If we can, where's our okay? So our high was 2159. 21.56. We can definitely come down to 21.50. 21 even to be nice. 21 even to be nice. We got 206 orders right there. Before we get there, 2102, we got 1,000. 2103. What I may come do, I may stack right on top of 2103 and place me an order at like 2104. You know what I'm saying? Sit back, let that get hit. But let me go over here. UKC, something else I've been watching. I don't know who been paying attention to this. UKC definitely with a nice run. We can see right here on the Binance exchange. Let me slide this. So let me open this up. See, we had a nice, hold on. What I'm looking at, a week chart. Oh, okay, let me break this down to a day chart. So when we are looking at QKC and price action and levels that we've been able to hit, perfect execution from the swing high to the swing low. Let's see. In fact, you know what? Let me break this down just a tad bit more. Make sure I'm hitting that swing low. There we go. So let me see. Swing high. Let me hit that wick right there. That's what I want to hit. All right. Now, what you're looking at is Fibonacci retracement levels. This is a swing high to a swing low. Back, hold on. Let me do this over. Just so I can show y'all how it goes. So you go over here, you get fib retracement. What you want to do is pull from the swing high. There we go. That's how I want it. There we go. Perfect. All right. There we go. Perfect execution. Came up, knocked out at 61, came back down, met support at 23. Right now, we're getting knocked out by 38. Perfect. What we're looking at, so it's based off the highs. Did you explain setting your Fibonacci, for the most part, it depends on if you're going to do swing high to swing low or swing low to swing high. When I'm looking at a downtrend, I usually do swing high to swing low, so I can look at the levels as far as us retracing and rallying back up to meet those all-time highs again. So what you're looking at right now is, you've lost, we're at 0%. If we're going to rally back up to our all-time highs over here of the, what day was that? What's that? July 9th, 2018. We had a high of, let me see, 1,618 sats. Right now we're trading at 816 sats. What you'll see is us start to rally and start to gain back the profit on our way back up. So when we get to this point right here, we've gained 23% of our profit back. Right here, 38%. Your common levels of retracement are between 38 and 61, 61 and 38, depending on which way you're pulling from. So after you've had a downtrend on your way back up, your common levels to take profit are between 38 and 61, which if you would have plotted this in any way, shape, or form and been able to see the direction that it's going, you definitely would have, you didn't enter anywhere around here, you would have at least entered around the 23. You would have set your take profits accordingly to the Fibonacci. And the way it looks right now, damn near all three of them would have got hit. And then it would have allowed you to jump back in around the 23% retracement level. And right now, your next orders would have been getting hit once again. You know what I mean? So it's hitting these invisible lines almost flawlessly. This is a perfect execution. Perfect execution. I gave the call, the heads up on QKC yesterday. It was trading at 650 maybe. What was the trading at yesterday? No, 750, I think. I mean, I gave it to people in the private sector a couple of days ago between 640 and 650. Yesterday, I made it public, and it was around 750. We rallied up to about 830, 829 today. Right now, you're getting stopped out at the 38.2 retracement level, which is actually, no, we're not even getting stopped out. If we look, we've actually broken our resistance level. We've broken overhead resistance. Let me see. We could probably see this better. QKC, Bitcoin. Here we go. So let me do away with the fibs. Now look what you got. You got positive momentum coming in on MACD, a nice swing around on the moving averages. RSI, same thing, a swing to the upside. Where's our 50 at? We've broken 50% already. already. Why is this thing not? Oh, okay, I know why. But let me redo all that. There we go. All right, I already had a bunch of TA on here. I forgot I had erased it. So I got a bunch of jumbled up stuff over here. But let me see. So what we're looking at right now, yeah, I know this is. All right, let me clear this up. I don't like to clear this stuff because everything's here for a reason. You can see I got my swing high and my swing low locked in. I did body close the body close this time though. Let's get rid of it. All right. So what we're looking at right now is trading view, and we're looking at QKC on the day chart. What I'm going to do is a quick TA on it. Let me see. We're going to do swing high to swing low, wick to wick, like so. What we want to see is our opening and our closing. Look, this is a new day. Remember, the new day is opening. Look at this. What was that? 809. A new day is opening on top of our level of resistance, which was at, and there we go. We off to the races. 820. Let me go ahead and cancel one of my orders. I had an order at 820. You cancel that. Cancel this order. Let me cancel this order. Hold on. Before we hit, let me cancel it. We definitely yeah, let me cancel it. In fact, you know what? Let me not cancel it. Let me not cancel it. Well, no, we got good support. Let me show y'all what I'm looking at right now. So let me knock this out. What we're looking at, look at the amount of buying volume that's coming in right now. Look at the buys right here on your right. I just canceled my order. I had a sell at 825. I just canceled. Look at the amount of support we have on here. Look at these big buy walls. Huge buy wall. Let's see. Let's look at all the buys real quick. So these are the amount of buy walls up to starting to disappear, but they may be raising them. What you'll see a lot of time, man, look at the volume. Look at that. Look at all that buying coming in right here. Just watch this on the right-hand side. This is your trade history. These are active trades right now. These are people buying and selling right now. You can see the orders coming in. Down here, recent market activity, system versus Bitcoin. That's a new 24-hour low. Right now, they're eating through them 826 sat orders. They're eating them up. Let me see, what are we at? Watch how they eat these orders up. We got 6,706, 6,339, 4,800. Look, somebody's stacking some more. They just put 106,000 more and they ate them. Oh, now we got a sell-off going on. Check it out. And see, that's why I should have left my order at 825. That's why I never second guess myself. I should have left my order at 825 because I knew it was going to hit 825 and retrace. And I should never second guess myself. Y'all just see live right now how you let FOMO affect you. I'm seeing it pump through the orders, right? I go in and cancel my order at 825. Oh, here we go. Now here comes the buying back in. Because I could have sold out at 825 and entered back in at like 812. You know what I mean? Anytime I'm able to sell on a rally and buy back in on a dip, just to gain a couple of extra tokens, I like to do it. So it's pumping back up. Volume's coming back in. All right, so let me break down what type of orders we got here. And something I like about a lot of the exchange markets that they're doing now, because you see you got your original chart, this is the original Binance chart. They give you 3 moving averages. You can also break this down and look at this on a full screen. You do have a couple of different tools they allow you to use. I forgot how you bring them up though. Nope, live right now. Forgot how to bring them up. But I like using the trading view one, which allows you to, you know what I'm saying, use a lot of the indicators. Well, damn near all the indicators the trading view allows you to use. So this right here is key. Let me see. Go back. Yeah, 824. Let me see what we're looking at. 826. Yeah, let me go ahead because we got a lot of overhead resistance. Let me go ahead and sell my order at 825. 826, in fact. Let me go ahead and sell it. Let me do half at 825, the other half at 826. So if we get these knocked off and we retrace a little bit, I'll be able to buy back in at a lower price. So what you have right now on the Binance exchange market, you have limit orders, you got market orders, and then you have stop limit. A limit order is an order where you pick the price that you want to execute at. So if I was buying or selling on this account right here, let's just say I wanted to sell at, well, we already broke through. My order just, let me see, we getting picked up. I got my orders at 25 and 26. Let's see. What we're picking them up at 24. Come on. I want a nice pickup and then a retracement. Let me get back in. So with limit order is where you pick the actual order that you want to buy or sell at. So let's just say I pick 825, right? And how many do I want to sell? Let's say I got 10,000 of them that I want to sell. That's going to give you a total BTC of 8,250,000 sats. You know what I'm saying? Or 882 million. Excuse me. What's that? Million? That's 100 million. That's 10 million. Okay, so now that's 8.2 million. 8,250,000 sats right there. If you sell 10,000 QKC at 825 sats. Now, I mean that's the buy. Excuse me. That's what you're gonna spend if you buy it. Same thing if you sell it though. 825 spent. You sell 10,000. It will give you 826. Oh, that's because of the fee. So with this, it's going to automatically execute no matter what you do. Buy or sell is going to automatically execute it for you. Now, a market order is just going to sell or buy it at the best given price. So when you're looking at this, let me bring both charts up. When you're looking at QKC, right, and you see this price right here, this right here is the price that you're most likely going to buy or sell at. This is the active price. This is the going price right here. Now, a stop limit is a order where you pick a trigger, meaning that you want it to trigger. You want this to be the trigger for this right here order to be executed. So let's just say I want to set a stop limit at like, we'll say 819. In case we break our support at 820, right? What I'll do is I'll come in here, and for my stop, I'll put that at 820. My limit, I'll put it 819. Meaning, if we come down and we sell at 820 or lower, my order for 819 to be executed. But if we never touch this will stand and it will never be executed. So it'd be sitting as a stop limit. Once 820 gets hit, it gets executed as a regular limit order. You know what I mean? It's gonna get hit as a regular limit order. So let's just say, let's say it might hit 820 and then start going back up. What you can do is you can come in and make your stop as well as your limit the same. So if you wanted to hit 819 as well as execute at 819. Now, let's say we want to give it a little leeway. Let's say we want to sell at 819, but we want price action to pass us up a little bit. You could put your trigger maybe around 815. Put your actual order at 819. So it's got to pass your order up, because what you'll see a lot of times in the market is a stop limit. You'll see price action come down, hit your order, and then go right back up. You'll be like, so sometimes you want to give it a little leeway, whereas it's got to pass your order up. Now, the only downfall of that, if it keeps going down, now you have to wait for it to rally back up and hit your order on the way back up. You know what I mean? So I hope that was helpful to anyone. What we're gonna do real quick is run through the top 20 coins real quick. Let's see how we're looking in the market. Coming in number one, we got Big Bank Hank trading at $6,395. Pretty much evened out. Ethereum coming in at 212, pretty much even. XRP at 50 cents. Nice gains out of XRP over the last couple of weeks. Last couple of days, really. The thing was just trading at like 46, 45 cents. Right now it's at 50 cents, up 0.9%, almost a percentage for the day. Bitcoin Cash trading at 550, up 1.1%. Stellar trading at 26 cents, up 1.6%. EOS trading at $5.40, pretty much even. Litecoin at $52, pretty much even. Cardano at 7 cents, pretty much even, up maybe a percentage. Tether coming in at number 9, which is the cryptocurrency equivalent to the United States dollar, pretty much even. Trading at 99 cents. This is where you put your money if the market is fluctuating too much for your liking. You put it over here, and it's going to keep it at a steady
stable dollar amount as long as this stays stable. Coming in number 10, the privacy coin Monero, trading at $105. So Monero's down to the prices that I usually tell people that they may want to start paying attention to it, usually between 105 and 95. That's, in my opinion, a nice buy-in price for Monero for anyone that may be looking, especially for myself. These prices are nibbling. Because I don't want to buy everything at 105. I want to just go in and buy a whole Monero at 105. If I take a little bit at 105, a little bit at 102, a little bit at 10, 100, a little bit at 99, 98. You know what I mean? I'm buying as it's going down instead of spending all my capital in one spot. Coming in number 11, we got Tron trading at 2 pennies, pretty much even. Dash pretty much even at 161. Yoda trading at 48 cents, up almost 2%, 1.9% gains. Coming in number 14, one of my personal favorites, Binance Coin, even $9.54. Neo at $15.95. Ethereum Classic, $9.44. Neem right now at 9 pennies, 9 cents for Neem, up 2.14% within the last 24 hours. Coming in number 18, we got Tezos at $1.31, pretty much even. Coming in number 19, we got Zcash trading at $130 right now, down 2.6%. And coming in last but not least, we got VeChain trading at 1 penny, pretty much even for the last 24 hours. Family, that is your top 20 coins within the market. Let's look at the top runners for the last 24 hours. We got Ethereum coming in at number 1, up 140%. Decentraland up 16%. I don't know if anyone remembers when we first came here, we looked at Decentraland, it was only up about 13%. This thing just jumped another 3% within the last, 30 minutes now? Jumped 3% within the last 30 minutes. Revain coming in at number 3, up 11.8%, almost 12%. Mixin, number 96, up 5.9%, trading at $150. This is something I've never heard of. Let's see, what is Mixin? Circulating supply. The coin only got 443 coins circulating. Man, this thing can move quick, fast, and in a hurry. Hold on, what? This thing was 100. Hold on. Since January, this thing was over $2,000. Look at this swing. Came down $400, $200, swung back up to over $1,400. Where is this coin at? Right now, $149. I got a big one. I've heard of this platform before. This is definitely something to pay attention to, though. Definitely, I'm definitely putting this on my list. Let me write this coin down real quick, family. This is Mixin, XIN, up 5.96% right now, trading at $149. Let's see. Ooh, nice sell-off. We down to 21. Look at that. Nice sell-off. Let me go into position real quick. Give me 1 second, family. Give me 1 second. Oh, no, never mind. I had it all. I got too happy. We still at 23. Got a little bit too happy. Where we at? 22. Yeah, so we're still looking for a bit of a pullback. 819 on QKC. Let's see. Let's take a look at Mixin, XIN. Here we go. Mixin versus the United States dollar. Real crazy fluctuation. Look at this. Real crazy. Let's see. Man, look at that consolidation period right there. Let's see. Okay, so this is a day chart. Let's see. This thing really bottomed out. Excuse me, family. Man, look at that. Look at that pullback. Man, look at that pullback. That was hard. That was a very, very, very hard pullback. Let's break this down to at least 3 days. Let's do a week. Over here in Skokie. What's going on, family? Peace, peace, peace. Out there in Skokie. What's good? You're not far. You're not far. You're local, man. Peace. Welcome to the show. It's your first time checking in, brother, sister. I don't know what your preference is. Okay, here we go. This is what I want to look at. So let's see. Okay, okay, no doubt, no doubt. You follow me on any social medias on Facebook, IG, any of that? Let me see. So our first level of resistance is going to come in at about $459. Man, look at that wraparound. Look at that wraparound. Man, that's what we're looking for. So, man, that's huge. Let me see some. Let's look at a day chart. Let's refresh. I gotta have another basis to go off of. Okay, let's see. Let's see if we was to shake. Man, I'm trying to see. It's so ill how it's moving. Let me see. Let's be the last. There we go. That's at 23 right there. See, we got stopped out. All right, so let me see. What's that? $229. You can. I mean, if we've met support, if we met some solid support down here, you can definitely see this thing run up to $229. With no, hold on. Definitely going to meet some resistance around what's that? 164, between 164 and 174. Once again, you'll probably meet resistance. Okay, so before you get to 229, you got to bust through 1764, 174, 204, and 217. That's before you get to 229. Definitely gonna have to go through those rounds right there. Let me see. And again, I see an even better one at what's that? 184. So I'm gonna say strong resistance to 164, 184, 204, 217. That's what you're looking at right now as far as your rally on up. You got support down around 120. Support down. You dropping knowledge and it's refreshing to witness. No doubt, my brother. No doubt. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So that's mixing. Let's see. What else do we have? Decentraland, Revain, Chainlink, Doge, Vertasium, Next, Crypto, Raven, Loom, Polymeth. So let me see. Let's take a look at Decentraland. Also, while I got viewers in here, do we got any coin requests from anybody? Anything anyone wants me to take a look at? Let's see. Let's look at Decentraland versus. Let's look at it versus Bitcoin. Let me see what I have going on over here. Must have been trading in when it was down here real low. Man, look at them candles. I feel sorry for anyone that got caught in this because they shitty right now. I'm talking about so sad. Wait for the back there. Telling y'all, never follow the herd. Never, never. Move all drawing tools. Right, let's see what's going on. Okay, let's see. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we can pull out of our hat. I'm not even worried about them higher wicks. As long as I can grab him and get this lower body one on the same level, we can get some action. Okay, there we go. Hold on. About right. And this one right here is going to have to come in just a tad bit. This pitchfork is not easy to work with. I'm going to tell y'all that now. I may make this thing look a little easy. There we go. Solid. All right. Heart line respect. That's definitely what you want to see, a little heart line respect. Oh, yeah. That was a solid move. Very solid move. All right. So we can see we got our upsloping trend line. This is our lowest support level right here. This right here is solid support. This is your 25% support level, your heart line, which is your 50% support level, or resistance, depending on how you look at it, your 75, and then your upper, this is your upsloping resistance line, excuse me. It's a trend line, but it's resistance as of right now. We've broken it a couple of times, but these don't mean anything at all. These are artificial. This is the organic growth of it. This is the organic, look, the essential land has been pretty much in an uptrend. I mean, you could say we started here, ended up right here. Right now, you can see, especially right now, we're getting what we're doing. We started off our new day on top of the 25% resistance line. So we are using this as support now. You can see we got rejected there, rejected here. That was only when we fell from grace from dropping down from the 25% line. You see, we was treating it as support, weren't able to withstand or hold. Heart line respect. So got a lot of respect going on right now as far as the trend line goes. So what we've done now is started a new trend on top of the 25% line. So now you can actually, let's see. Let me see some. What do I tell y'all? 38, 61, 38 and 61, your normal retrace levels. Let me extend this so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So I broke this from the swing high to the swing low. 61 and 38 is right here, right? Where we're getting stopped out right now, that's 61%. Look what happened when we broke 23. Got stopped out at 38, came back down, retested, was able to break off, stopped out once again, broke out of that one, got stopped out at 50 before going to 61. So this right here is a real nice chart. Let's see. Now let's add on some more variables. MACD, positive momentum, looking good, as you can see. Very positive. RSI is showing that you're oversold though. I mean overbought, excuse me. RSI is showing that you're overbought. You could see a pullback come. In fact, let me see if I got any type of bullish or bearish. Nope, no type of bearish divergence. Volume. How's our volume? I am not that low. Highest volume we've seen. Let me see. This is a day chart. So this is the highest volume we've seen since August 29th, anyways. And we're in November right now. So let's see. Measured move. Let's do this. On the short term, what's that? 1,154 sats. So if we were to break out almost flawlessly, look where we got stopped out. So that should take profit. So if we broke to the upside, that'd be your take profit right here. That 2,689 sats. Right now we're trading at 1,580. Now, if you were to break to the downside, let's see what would happen. 344 sats. That's even. We're still super, man, down in the triple digits. So that's Decentraland. That's the possibility with Decentraland. Put that back up there. We got next on the list. We got Revain. Let's take a look at Revain. Any questions out there? Anything the family wants to know? Man, y'all already know. I'm open to y'all right now. Take full advantage. We got about 10, 15 more minutes left while I'm live. I'm gonna be bringing some more videos. In fact, this is what I want to do. Okay. The Revain's not on here. That means Revain got to be over here. There we go. Revain versus the dollar. It's going for that 200-day moving average. Ah, there we go. Let's see. Right now, we're trading at 23.40 cents. At 23.60? No, 33 cents. Right now, we're at 23 cents. So you can see a run to 33 cents easy. If we stay in the trend that we're in right now. Let's see what we're hitting right now. Let's say this is our swing high. Let's say this is our swing low. Let me adjust this also. There we go. All right. 35 cents, excuse me. Let me see. So we've already broke 38. 50, we see how we met 50 and broke back down to 23, and now we're on our way back up to 50. So right now you're at 38 cents. I mean 21 cents. You can definitely see retest of 25 cents easily on Revain. Retest of 25 cents. If you're able to break 25 cents, you go on to 28 cents. Let me see, lower support at 17 cents and 20 cents respectively right there. Let's head over to the Stellar X exchange market. Let's see what's going on over here with some of these native coins. Let's see. 24-hour change. So we got Scopuli platform up 672% with 2.3 K volume. We got PTS up 441%, 0.3 K. Dark Matters up 390%. Hedity, who I've been seeing run the last couple of days, I've been posting about them. 97K within the last 24 hours, up 118%. Let's see, Coin up 63%. They got 80K. Smartland's got 570K. They're up 25% within the last 24 hours. The thing I like about this is that you can check out what each one of these platforms actually have going on. Let me see, notice token issued by, because what you have is a creditors and debtors relationship going on over here. A lot of legal framework that goes on in Stellar, how it's ran, and the Stellar X platform. I actually love it. I'm into contract law, creditor law, debtors law, UCC code. I'm into all that. So when they get to talking this legal mumbo jumbo, I love breaking it all down. Let me see. So this is the top runner real quick. Let's see what they got going on. So you can come over here, like I say, research any one of these. Okay, let's see. Safe cold storage, peer-to-peer trade in crypto assets, asset tokenization, ICO and token marketplace. Scopuli allows you to safely store and instantly transfer your cryptocurrency assets, issue your own cryptocurrency tokens, and launch ICO campaigns. Invest in ICO projects and also trade in crypto tokens on the decentralized exchange of Scopuli DEX. Stellar exchange in real time with zero commissions. Really working project. Try it right now. Wow. Let's see. ICO platform. This is their exchange. They wallet. That's why I'm telling y'all, the Stellar X, man. Stellar X changing the game. In addition to supporting the emission and movement of assets, also acts as a decentralized peer-to-peer exchange of assets of any type that people have added. Okay. I want to watch a video. Let's see. Nice website. Website looks nice and fancy. It definitely had somebody put something together real nice. Let's see. Vladimir, Alexander, Anna. These are the advisors. Okay. So always remember, do your due diligence. Always do your due diligence on any of these platforms. Because what you have going on over here on the Stellar X platform, I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna break this down, contract legally speaking. What you have, if we look at the market, we have native tokens. Each one of these native tokens are a form of credit for the asset that it's backed by. So let's see. Just for instance, we will look at one I've been following. Let me see, where is it at? Atlantis Blue token. What done happened to Atlantis Blue? I guess it indeed listed. And you'll see that every once in a while, these tokens will come off and come back on over here. With this being a decentralized exchange market, it is up to the issuer's discretion. Now, that's the thing. When you open a trust line with any one of these native tokens, you have to trust that they have the actual asset to back whatever credit they're giving you. So when we look at smart land tokens, each one of these tokens represent a form of credit of the asset it's supposed to be backing. In this instance, is real estate. Real interesting. I'm gonna do a full review on the Stellar X platform and how it works and the terminology that they use. Let's see. This is another one that's been moving real nice. Crypto Mover. Let me see what they have going on. Crypto Mover is a not a licensed financial advisor. Let's see. Research. Here we go. About us. Let's see what they got. Enter a federation address or public Stellar key. Back. Hold on. There we go. Let's see what's going on over here with Crypto Mover. Inactive account, sending one XLM to this address from another active Stellar. What? Okay, hold on. I don't know what to do. Let me get a active account real quick, family. Let me do this real quick. So what I'm going to do now is I'm getting an active Stellar X account. Now let me come back over here. Let's post this. There we go. There we go. That one should be solid. Go ahead and log in to Crypto Mover. Okay. Okay, nice. Transact. I guess this is a portfolio, I'm guessing. Created account, payment, to, from. Let's look at help. How to use Crypto Mover Stellar Wallet. We do not store your secret seed anywhere. You will have to type it each time you want to do a transaction, which requires a secret seed. If you log in, you will be redirected to the portfolio. Will automatically fetch your balance. Wait for it to load up. Use copy to copy your public address to clipboard. Portfolio page shows 4 columns. Coin issuer balance and its total USD. Assets developed by Crypto Mover. Okay, I'm still trying to figure out what their purpose is, though. Okay, I agree. I'm not one of them. Let's see. Here we go. Let's look at the facts. Okay, what is index? I don't want damn it videos. I understand index and why you use it, blah, 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 blah. Why should we trust your index? We think by being transparent. Should everyone index? Okay. How can I passively invest in cryptocurrencies? Investing in cryptocurrencies can be volatile. The annualization volatility of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin is 60, 120, 150%, 115. And these are the big three. The volatility of second tier coins is even higher. Given the tremendous volatility of digital assets, Crypto Mover is proud to introduce a leading index in the cryptocurrency world. Okay. Award-winning CM3 and CM10 indexes allow customers to track the majority of liquid investable digital assets in a simple and accessible format. With the indexes, one does not have to hassle with individual wallets and worry about individual price fluctuation. What is an index fund? An index fund is a type of mutual fund with a portfolio constructed to match or track the components of a particular market, such as the Standard & Poor's 500 or the S&P. Why do we believe in indexing? The indexing trend started in the late 1990s, and when well-to-do investors found that they were able to generate market returns with very low fees. Index investing replicates a market, and such funds buy a representative sample of assets in order to come close to replicating a target market. We believe this should be the method of investing for the cryptocurrency, compared to active investing, where individuals have to pick specific cryptocurrencies to invest in. Passive investing is an index fund is a dull and cheap way to invest in a cocktail of cryptocurrencies without having to worry about financial and crypto jargon. The bottom line is that there's a simple way to invest in a passive strategy. What we have done is replicated the traditional finance world and adapted that to the new world of digital assets in our proprietary way. This is interesting. I'll come back and try to do a full review on here because I'm about to end this video. Man, real interesting. This is another one of the native coins that they got over here, family. So down 33% right now too. Another thing I like about this platform are the spreads on some of these coins. So let's look at Bitcoin X. Let's see what they spread looks like. 11% spread. I mean, if you can get in here and hurry up and sell over here, 11% gains real quick. Look at the spread. You got 21. Look at this. 2 separate orders for 100 each. And look, they're minutes apart. So somebody could have bought in. You could have got this sale right here and went over here and sold. So, yeah, that's about it for the night, family. I'll probably be back later on and do a review on a platform, or I might just drop a video. I don't know. But I will be back in the AM to do the early rising show at Coffee and Crypto with the Big Block. Tuned in tonight. Night show, a 24-hour review. It is early still. It is early. So, like I said, I'm gonna be doing a lot more researching. I'll be coming back, if not tonight, definitely in the AM. So make sure you check in. To the next video. This is Amir, the Chicago crypto hustler, Bitcoin block bully. Peace, power, and prosperity, family. I am at it.